Enterprise case management is the discipline of doing your investigations, your regulatory and risk and compliance investigations in a centralized platform or in a standardized fashion. So it doesn't necessarily need to be one single instance of case management, but there has to be a standardized approach on how you conduct your investigations across your AML, your corporate security, your information security, your fraud, KYC, and other risk and compliance disciplines. I think the adoption of enterprise case management across global financial institutions has not been where the banks would have required it to be. A lot of banks have attempted an enterprise case management strategy. A lot of banks have gone down the path, but very few have been successful in truly executing an enterprise case management solution in their ecosystem for risk and compliance. When banks target enterprise case management as an enterprise-wide strategy, I don't think one of the biggest challenges is data and integration. As much as it is about the solution that they are putting in place, I think there is more to it about how you can integrate the data from different source systems, how you can integrate the different kinds of cases and investigation units. The other area, a big area of challenge, is that being able to maintain that autonomy across different business units. So if you have an AML compliance unit and you have a fraud investigation unit, both of these units, while they may want to use the same tool for case management, they have different workflow needs, they have different information access needs, and being able to address those two different needs is a big challenge which banks are trying to overcome and have been not that successful. To execute a successful enterprise case management strategy, the first and foremost important step which banks have to do is to put a stakeholder in place for an enterprise case management strategy. You cannot just have an enterprise case management strategy in vacuum. Somebody needs to be accountable and responsible for it. Second is you want to bring the right stakeholders from your different business units, whether it's AML, fraud, KYC, to the table to make sure that they understand that the enterprise case management solution that you are procuring or you're going to put in place is going to meet their individual needs, and that they are on the same page as far as executing an enterprise case management strategy.